Y esto es la banda indomable, oiga. ¡Arriba, Zacatecas!
What's up, vatos? Right now I'm in Hesperia, California, and I seen a little hole in the wall. Taqueria, Zacatecas. I stopped, vatos, and I bought me a carne asada burrito. They hooked it up with a little salsa. It looks spicy. We're gonna open this up, put some salsa on it, taste it to see if it's bomb or not. All right, vatos, this is what the burrito looks like. Let's take a bite before I put some salsa on it. I'm not gonna say nothing yet, vatos. Let's put some salsa. And I think it's habanero, because I think it's orange, vatos. And I'm getting some lemon they hooked me up with. Now let's give it another try, vatos. All right, vatos. The honest truth, it's good. It's not bomb. It's good. It's not nasty. A piece of carne just fell out. I think the carne asada could be marinated a little bit better. It tastes like if it was boiled, vatos, but the rice, the beans, they're good, vato. It's overall, it's a good burrito. I rate it 6.5 out of 10, vatos. Taqueria Zacatecas in Hesperia, vatos. There you go.